everybody. Today this is second part of how to make a popping game, and this is also the final. And here we need to go into the blank sprite. And actually, this is quite fast now, but this is just fast. When the sprite clicked, change score by -1. There. Let me try it out. Oh, but let's say here. Let's make a backdrop and paint and go over it and choose paint. Now, let's zoom out and let's type through this. Yep, okay, let's just zoom in. There, just wherever you like, then let's type game over. As I like it, I would like to make it marker, then copy paste here, and here is going to be a pixel one. That's why I really like it, because marker, instead of marker, I'll go to pixel. This one should be pixel. Well, this will be good. And then, yeah, and then let's just copy. Okay. Now I will copy paste, or not really in this one. Now I'll go here and game over. I mean, it's your design. Well, so I'm just making my own design right now. Oh, okay. Okay, it's my design. I mean, it's your design, how to, yeah. And this one, it should be pixel. There, and then I'll start by drawing G, A, and then M, and then an E. Oh, what's happened? Oh, sorry. This is just my problem, so maybe you don't really need to do it, but I'm just going to game. Wow, that's a very bad A. Okay. Oh, this is starting to look like something. Let's say, yeah. One green flag clicked. Switch to backdrop 1. Let's see. And then let's add an if, and then one green flag clicked. If, let's go to operators, equals, let's go to variables, the score is equals to 0, then change backdrop to backdrop 2, and then after that, let's come in a stop all block. There, and yeah, let's test it out. Boom. There, but it doesn't want to show this. It doesn't want to really show. Backdrop, let's see. Okay, let's go to our costume sprite, and when green flag clicked, switch to backdrop 1. Good. Bum, 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 ba dum, bum, bum. Whoa. Oh, it's because if it's this one, just add forever loop. Nope. Let's stop adding that. Stop all. Oh no. Oh. Let's add the stop all. Let's see what happens. It's still continuing good. Let's try it again. It doesn't want to. Maybe because we dropped in the stop all, right? Whoa. This is getting boring. Let's stop the stop all block. And let's just say, yeah, just like that. Whoop. Oof. Oh. Okay, let's just delete the backdrop thing, okay? I just, yeah, it was just for fun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, good. Now, it's just a fun game now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm not really sure, but please